Hey guys, we continue to review the biggest phone from Xiaomi in 2018, and in this video we want to talk about camera of Mi Max 3. In description you can find links to unboxing and performance test. Very soon we will publish battery test of this phone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers, not to miss new videos. First, let's talk about camera sensors of Xiaomi Mi Max 3. In fact, it has the same models as Redmi Note 5 Pro, but with updated aperture. There is 12-megapixel main sensor with f1.9 aperture and 5-megapixel secondary sensor on the back panel. On the front, there is 8-megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. As for the camera app, it doesn't differ from other Xiaomi devices. You have a big shutter button and different modes above it. You can change modes by swiping left and right. On top there is flashlight, HDR, a set of filters and icon to settings menu. The camera settings menu provides many options such as camera sounds, watermark, contrast, saturation, etc. There is even an option to enhance low-light photos automatically. It should be very useful. Some days ago we tested Xiaomi Mi 8 II camera, and in my opinion, Mi Max 3 makes the same quality images in daylight. They have good details and dynamic range. You can use HDR mode, but I prefer natural colors. The bokeh effect looks good. Yes, you cannot change the blur level. The software algorithm make a good job. As you may notice, there is only one camera on the front panel, but you can still use the bokeh effect for selfies. In general, the selfies are pretty good, but nothing special. It is just 8-megapixel sensor. If we talk about shooting at night, the images are also good. To be honest, I didn't expect it. They are much better than many other popular Chinese phones, for example, MIUI Z2. Xiaomi Mi Max 3 shoots video in 4K resolution at 30 fps. The video stabilization is only available in Full HD. You need to enable it in camera settings menu. In general, the video has good quality. The colors are not saturated. So, first of all, we should note that Xiaomi Mi Max 3 is not camera phone. For example, Xiaomi Mi 8 II has a little better camera, especially at night, than this phablet. However, you can still make good photos and videos both in good and low light conditions, and even much better than other Chinese phones such as MIUI Z2. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links to original photos and videos. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.